welcome back to Kyler's Farm World. And today we're back on American farming. And today's another day of corn harvest, but I am willing to squeeze a little planting in here. But still, we got all the corn is ripe, all of it. So let's open these barn doors over here. And the fun begins. So let's get into this 2144 here. And let's get cutting. Let me turn down the volume for you guys. So let's get this thing backed out of the shop here. Alrighty, so we got everything all prepared. Don't have too many vehicles out, but we're just gonna get the combine cutting on corn, and then I'll go get the gravity wagons and go from there. Let's get it here. Headlands and rows. Now I can leave this guy alone, and let's go get the other tractor. Alrighty, let's get this 1086 International started up. Starts up like a breeze. And then let's attach her to the... Let's put the 1206 on the gravity wagon. Let's attach this one to the planter. Then this thing can wait for its turn soon. So let's do that. Park this right here. Get the good old 1206. Let's go get the gravity wagons, which are way over here. Try and make this video as quick as possible for you guys. Let's attach to the gravity wagons. And let's go let's go park over here. Quick. Turn in. And I'll just park right there. Then we cut. We got our first load of the day here. So let's put her in the wagons. And let's dump her. Takes a little to dump. Then let's finish up here. And then we continue and get back cutting. Alrighty, we are finishing up the second headland. The hard worker is, I'm just driving. This is where I do things. I pretend I'm driving. Now it's gonna go all the way around and do absolutely nothing. And then we'll continue on rows. Alrighty, we are rolling on rows here. Field's all working good. Everything's in good shape. We are just gonna continue cutting. I'm gonna finish up this field and then move on to the next big field. And I will see you then. First load of the season is coming into the grain bins. So we'll get this unloaded and resume corn harvest. So we are done with the first field and we are finishing up dumping here. So let's wait 1 second. Alrighty. Let's go put her on the big field, and this one is going to take a while. So might as well get her going now. Get you going. And while the combine does that, let's get in this tractor here. And let's get it planted. That way it's all planted right behind the tractor. Because this planter, it takes a while. I'm always impatient whenever I use this planter. So let's get her unfolded. Let's move her around. Then let's get her planted. But anyway though, I'll just ignore this planter and I'll get on the 1206 and keep chasing after the combine. Catch her when we get back on the rows. Let's get this combine dumped. So let's do that. Then go forward and load the back one. And then we'll wait for them to be done. Also, if you're just wondering, why do I have a big one then a little gravity wagon pulled behind instead of a big gravity wagon or big gravity wagon? It's really simple. Because with a little one and a big one actually saves you money in a way. Because they're both even in a way to where they can hold 4 combine loads easily. And I don't know, it's a long story. It's just that you can get both of them completely full in just 4 combine loads. But anyway, back to farming. So, 2144 has been going good on rows. I should scoot in a little closer. Everything's working good. The planter is done. And so there's not a whole lot of excitement besides the combine working hard and me towing gravity wagons. Not a whole lot going on, but we will continue. So let's keep going. Alrighty, so now the load's coming in, then we will continue harvesting. Whoopsie daisies. Just let me get this turned around. So after a little while, we are done with this big field. It's all a nice cut. Then we're going to get it planted soon. But then we're going to move on to the small field, which only takes a couple minutes. And we'll get to work on that. Close been cogged up a little. Now let's get her on the field here. Back her up. Get her going. Also, to let you guys know, I missed a spot this last year. when I was planting, this game always has this glitch. Whenever you plant and then you turn off this game while the tractor is still planting, then you reload back in. The tractor's wings is all folded in and raised up, so I have to fold in, fold out, back out, and raise down and make a big old spot. And the combine is full. How do you turn off this camera off? Just a little bit more, and we are done with corn harvest for the season. Yippee-ki-yay! So let's get the rest of it dumped in the gravity wagons. Let's go get this combine parked. Let's get this gravity wagons detached and then hook up to the fertilizer spreader. And let's start fertilizing. And while this guy fertilizes, I'm gonna plant. So let's get into it. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. There were a few minor issues on the time lapse. As you saw, things didn't go out as I wanted it to. Got dark and stuff. Long story. But I still didn't want to miss out the time lapse, so I made an okay one. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. I sure did. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Over and out.